Today, most businesses are leveraging social media marketing to reach their target audiences, expand their customer base, and maximize profits. One of the popular social media platforms being leveraged to generate leads is Twitter. It is about 330 million active monthly users, which makes Twitter one of the favorite platforms for marketers. You can generate a significant number of leads on Twitter, but only with the right set of hacks. Today, let us discuss some useful hacks you can use for lead generation. Hi, this is Komal Kashish and it's a pleasure to welcome you to our channel Netly once again. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified when we launch more of such videos. Let's begin with the list of useful Twitter hacks. Number 1. Twitter bio. Your Twitter bio says a lot about who you are. It is your brand introduction to the users of the platform. When writing your bio on Twitter, keep the following points in mind. Number 1. Share who you are, what you do, and why it is special and unique. Number 2. Provide your right contact information. Number 3. Have a call to action. And number 4. Why they should follow you. You can also include trending hashtags of your niche to attract more people and always provide the link to the landing page of your website in your bio. Number 2. Header image. Images always play an important role in marketing. They can change the feel of your page and convey a lot about your brand. Images generally attract more attention than plain text. That is why you can include relevant text in your header images. Include text such as your brand's tagline or any catchy line about the company. So let your header image do the magic. You can also put a call to action in your header image. As an example, the below header image has a call to action button for an event booking. Number 3. Posting on a scheduled time. It is always better to tweet when the majority of your audience is online, as it ensures better reach of your post and higher chances of engagement and lead generation. You can find a lot of information on the internet about the most appropriate time for posting on Twitter. However, you are more likely to figure out the best time for posting for your specific business or brand through trial and error. If one time does not result in much growth, try to research and post at a different time. Number 4. Write effective tweets. Twitter is all about intelligent tweets. Tweets can be in the form of only text, images, videos, blog links, etc. If your tweets are not interesting, people will not follow you or engage with you. So while tweeting, keep the 80-20 rule in mind. This means that your post should be 80% informative, which can be self-curated content or sharing content of others, and only 20% should be about your promotion. If you only keep promoting your brand, then people will start running away from your page. Number 5. Hashtags. Twitter has always been known for the use of hashtags. Before selecting hashtags, you can use hashtag analytics tools to research about trending and popular ones. It is important to note that you should only use hashtags which are related to your niche and not use trending ones which are totally unrelated to your domain. Number 6. Study your competitors. It is always better to stay updated about your competitors. Studying what your competitors are up to is always beneficial when creating a social media campaign. You can check your competitors by using the search box. For example, if you are a beauty salon, you can type any keyword from your niche like makeup so that you can find who your competitors are and you can study their marketing strategies and create an effective approach. Number 7. Twitter chats. Twitter chat is a great way to engage with your audience and expand your customer base. It allows you to hold discussions on various topics where you can showcase your expertise and build more trust among the audience. They are helpful to increase networking and connect to people of your industry. It helps in increasing your Twitter followers and prospects as it creates brand awareness among your people. You can also check out the world's largest list of Twitter chats. Twitter chats are conversations that are created at a particular time for a specific hashtag. You can host your own Twitter chat also by selecting a relevant topic and predetermined time. If you plan your Twitter chats effectively, you can understand your audience even better. Number 8. Twitter ads. Ads are always a great way to reach your potential customers, and today social media ads allow you to choose and customize your audience based on various factors such as demographics, keywords, events, behaviors, interests, follower lookalikes, movies, TV shows, and a lot more. Ads serves a great tool to reach your audience, and the customization which Twitter ads offers is excellent for lead generation. Number 9. Pinning your tweets. Everybody wants their best content piece to be showcased in front of their viewers. You can do so by pinning your tweets. Pinning your tweets allows your audience to view your best piece of information at the top. Pin the tweet which has a link to your website or any landing page having a higher potential of lead generation. When you pin a particular tweet, it always remains at the top of all your tweets, and that's why you can always direct them to the desired web page. Number 10. Identify the audience. This is the most important step that many skip before creating a marketing plan. Social media offers multiple ways to know and find your target audience. Finding your target audience is a very crucial step if you are keen to attract a good number of leads. Every business is different, and so is its target audience. You can also segment your audience on Twitter in order to create successful marketing campaigns. Identifying your audience is a prerequisite for any hack you wish to act upon. When you know who you want to reach, your marketing will work more effectively. Number 11. Engage with leads of Twitter also. This means that you can also engage with your prospective lead on emails or via messages. While contacting your lead through email or message, keep in mind that you don't end up nagging them with your messages. Rather than plan effectively what you want to send and when. When you engage with your audience directly, it reflects that your brand cares about them and also makes your audience feel more connected with you at a personal level. Last but not the least, number 12. Landing page for Twitter users. You may link your Twitter leads to your homepage, but it's better to direct them towards a different landing page which is only for your Twitter followers, where you can ask them to subscribe to you for latest updates. Collecting email addresses of your leads is an essential step in your marketing funnel. Twitter is a very popular social media platform and is an excellent platform to generate leads. The hacks we have discussed today to generate leads on Twitter will help you to optimize your lead generation efforts and also help in expanding your customer base. If you find these tips useful, please share with us in the comment section below. Thank you for watching our video. Please share the video, like and tell others too about it. We look forward to hearing your thoughts on topics you would like to see, and we will do our best to accommodate your requests. For more information, see the blog links given below. See you soon with our next video.